Hey everyone! In this video, you will learn how to fix the your precise location could not be determined error on Windows 11. Step 1. Enable location services. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Location. Ensure that location access is turned on. If it's off, toggle it to on. Step 2. Allow apps to access your location. Scroll down to the Choose which apps can access your precise location section. Ensure the apps you want to use location services with have permission. Step 3. Check your device location settings. Under Location, click on Set Default Location. Make sure the default location is correctly set for your region or city. Step 4. Enable and configure location in the Action Center. Click on the Action Center icon on the taskbar, the speech bubble. Click on the location icon to toggle it on. This ensures your device can access location services. Step 5. Update Windows 11. Outdated system files could be causing the error. Go to Settings, Windows Update, and click Check for updates. If updates are available, install them and restart your PC. Step 6. Ensure GPS drivers are up to date. Go to Device Manager, right-click the Start button and select Device Manager. Expand Sensors. Right-click on GPS and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for updated driver software to find the latest version. Step 7. Restart your PC. Sometimes, simply restarting your PC can resolve the issue after making changes to your location or settings. Step 8. Check for third-party software conflicts. If you're using third-party software that affects location settings, such as VPNs or privacy apps, make sure it isn't blocking location access. Temporarily disable such software and see if it resolves the issue. Step 9. Test the location feature. Finally, test your location services again by opening a map or a weather app that uses your location. If everything is working correctly, the issue should be resolved. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.